first we have to use this database, right? So what is the, so how can we use? We can use and then means a learn database analyst. This is the name of database. It's a command completed successfully, right? Right? Okay, now. So what now we have to learn? We have to learn is alter. Okay, how can we modify the data? How can we drop? Okay, the data permanently or delete it? Okay, then DML. Okay, what is the DML command? What is a SQL command? Yes, please. Right. So right, I no, this is a tool. This is a SQL Server tool or application. You can say whatever you want, but actually, this is the tool which developed by Microsoft. Okay, right, right, correct. Definitely, whatever I, yeah, same time you can do, but definitely we will waste our time, right? So whatever I will teach you, I will share you these recording, these the like notes with you, so you can apply. Okay, you can write, and I will also share you recording session through the YouTube. Okay, so YouTube means like as I told you, it is not possible to record directly, so I can use different tools. And if it is like a 2 hours video, it is difficult for me to share with you, and you can't download. Okay, even I can't share you right through the whatsoever because it needs more time to upload, right? So what will I do? I will share you through the link, okay, YouTube link, okay, and then you can whatever the classes you can go there and you can watch, okay, and then if you have any problems you can also ask me, okay, I we will solve it, right? First and secondly, maybe there is some like a voice problems here because I don't have a proper setups, okay, to clean the voice, so there is maybe voice issues, okay, but definitely will get some help, okay, because this is a live record. Yeah. I tell. Okay, what? So first you can share your screen, please. I'm going to stop share my screen. You can share your screen. Wait, wait, wait. Yes, I can see your screen. You can open your SMS. This one's also. I can, yes, but please share your full screen. Okay. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Right. SSMS. Yeah. SSMS. This one, yeah, SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Click, yeah, click, whatever, click, double click or open. You can click on connect. Okay. Now you have to click new query. New, yeah. Okay. Now you have to create your database as I told you. You can write create database and mention your name space Priya SQL, not space. If we created any, yeah, SQL. Okay, and then please execute it as I told you earlier. You have to select not you for, yeah. Okay, now okay, select. Okay, now you have to use first. Go to new line. Click on enter. Yeah, click on enter. Yeah, and right here use and your database Priya SQL. Yeah, Priya SQL. Yeah, and now you have to execute it again. No, please select it first. Select without select. How can it? Yeah, select both. Both. But how can we select? We have to click left mouse button. Correct. Yeah, execute it. Now, so we are using this database Priya SQL. Okay, and how can you check? Please, you can see database security left side. There is a mention. Okay, click right. Not security. Click on database. Okay, so here you can see the mention Priya SQL. Okay, is already created, but here's table we have to create now. In this database, we have to create a table. Now I will teach you. Okay, please stop to share screen. I will share my screen. We have to learn this now. I have already we have already recapped this. Okay, no problem. That's why I'm. That's don't need to worry. Don't need to worry. We will do this. Okay. That's I told you. So you understood now how to create a database. How can we use database, right? So now again I teach you. So now this is the way how to create a table, right? This is the table and we have created already, right? Am I right? So I already shared these documents. You can apply in your database or you have to create it. Okay, because you have a time, you have 5 days. Okay, in a 5 days you can practice yourself. I will share you my videos. Okay, and then you have to just watch and try to execute or implement in your tool. This is SSMS tool. Is in short. SQL Server Management Studio. You can say. And how can we inserted the like a records? We can record this. I tell you again. Okay, I think. Uh, Okay, no, configuration management means it's already configured, okay? And without configuration, the SSMS will not work. So these are few like a three, four, or five, like I mean, you can say package, okay? Package installed to run SQL SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. These are the package. The package means you go to any shop, like I can give you one example, good example. Okay, so if you go any beauty shop, then they will ask you, ma'am, we have a package. Okay, we will do for like a hair cutting. Okay, and then like massage as well. Okay, and then okay, I don't know. Okay, I have given you example. Yeah, right. So you understand, but I try to give you some example, but I don't. Okay, I try. Okay, this. Okay, now. Okay, so again, I will teach you this. Okay, again, let's see. We will first again tell you. I'm going to open this. Okay, I think again I explain it. So this is a very important to understand. Okay, so you understood we have already created this one. I told you right last time, right? So this is a table, and the table, this is the columns name, and these are the reports. Am I right? Do you understood this, right? No problem. I will teach you, but you know this, right? Just I want to know. You can understand this, right? Yeah, that is enough for me. Okay, now I okay. So I bolded my column names. These are my records. Okay, I tell you is a column. Okay, column, sorry, column is called field. Field in SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server. Okay. So what is a column? Is a column is a field, and these are value. Okay. Whatever we have inserted the record values. Values are here called is a records. Okay. Values are called records. Records. Sorry. Records in SQL Server. Am I right? So you understood if I tell this, okay? If I tell this, you understood. I'm talking about the field. So I'm talking about the columns. If I talk about the records, I'm talking about the values. This is the 123 employee ID. Sorry, customer ID. Customer ID is a one record. Where is a Priya, Lakshmi? Okay, this is a phone number. This is an email address. Whatever this. Okay, and this another records is a user. These are the values. Okay, another table I have created here is a order date. Okay, so like our customer ID. Okay, so the customer ID, order ID, also these are also column names, and we call as a reports. Okay, and these are the values. Okay, what we like you and me ordered. Am I right? You and me ordered here. So what is the status? Its status is a delivered. You already ordered. You like a chocolate. Okay, so you ordered chocolate and successfully chocolate delivered, and you ate. And I like hair oil because I'm facing some challenge. Okay, my hair are falling, so I want good hair oil. I didn't like this hair oil, so I cancel my order. After receiving or not receiving, after analyze, oh, this hair oil is not good, I cancel my order, right? So we understood this, and how these tables are, how these tables work in SQL servers. Okay, so how these tables can work in SQL tables, we have to learn. Okay, now what is the like a relationship? We understand now. The relationship means is a customer ID. Okay, customer ID is a 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 2 4, right? So these are the customers. Okay, we have all the details of the customers like a phone numbers, email address, and gender. So how can we know who has ordered? Okay, what is the status of the customers? How can analyze this, and how can target only those customers those are buying the products from the e-commerce platform, I mean our e-commerce platform. So what is the relation? We have to find a relationship. So relationship is a customer ID same, this is the customer ID same, this is the customer ID is unique. So if 1 2 3 is a customer ID, it means a Priya, only one Priya is a, and Priya names a Lakshmi. If I make is 1 2 5 and make is a Priya, it means this is another Priya, right? Because names are similar, but customer ID should not be similar, not a duplicate. It is a unique. So on basis we have to analyze. We call this a join, okay, and then we join the tables. So multiple tables here, right? So the multiple tables uh, after joining will help us to get the output proper output to present the data with the management, and on basis the management will decide to engage with the our existing customers. Okay, or is a like a first, okay, there is a some categories, first category, second category, third categories customers. Okay, or you can say it's a prime customers. So we will target the prime customers. Okay, like I tell you, if you use any e-commerce organization to buy any product, okay, and then they will send you message on WhatsApp, on emails. How can they analyze? Because they understand you are a prime customer. Okay, you order, you like what kind of product do you like, and they give you suggestion. Oh, okay, you like a beauty product. products, right? Sorry. And beauty products, I have another beauty products. You can buy this. Am I right? You can buy sunscreen. We have a variety of sunscreen. You can use this one. You can use some, I don't know, okay, the product name. I can give you examples like what should I call you? The lipsticks, hair oils, okay, and whatever, like combs, whatever, okay. So they give you a lot of suggestion. Why? Because maybe you can like it, okay, and then you can order them, right? Because they have to sell their product and they assume you are a prime customer. So how did they know this? Because they have a tables. They have a table, order table, okay. They have a customers, okay, table, and now they will combine, okay, or they will join or combine the tables, and on basis table they will analyze those customers regularly buy the products from e-commerce platform. They will target first as a prime customer. Am I right? Have you understood? What so now? Because we can do this in Excel as well, right? Why we are learning seekers? Because Excel will not support for large data, million data. Excel will crash. Got it? Excel will crash. Excel will take more time. The Excel performance is not good. Okay, suppose I make a filter here and I want some like a thousands employees, not a thousands, okay, millions of the customers, okay, and I want only prime customers. So if I filter, okay, and we have a data in CSV or Excel, okay, CSV is a similar Excel file, okay, I tell you. So then Excel will not support, we will not get the prime customers, okay, and we can face challenge, and maybe we can't share the reports to the stakeholders or management. Am I right? So we have to use SQL. It is means high level data. Is a huge data. Am I right? Now, I tell you now. So we have already, sorry, so we have already created this table, okay, customer table, right? How created? We mention is a create table, okay, and then what are tables we want? We want a customer table, so we have to name the customer table name, okay, and then what's the data type? Okay, I teach you letter data type, not right now, because first we have to understand how can create the table and how can insert the records in the table. Okay, now how can we insert the records? I tell. I want another name as a Shara Tendulkar. Tendulkar. Sara Tendulkar. Okay, sorry. Okay, first name Sara. The second name is Tendulkar. Okay. The phone number is like 1235. Okay, maybe this. Okay, 6 digit. Okay, and what is the email address? Shara @125. Sorry, 125 at gmail.com, and gender C is female. Okay, the customer is a female. So I have added this record here, okay, this value here of the customer. What it's called is a records and be inserted. It means we inserted this records in the table. Am I right? Okay, now how can we insert this record? I copy this. I want to save my time, but okay, let's see. I will insert here, only here. How can insert here? I just pasted here, so don't need to worry. I teach you. Okay, so first we have to write insert into, because we are inserting means we are adding. So we have to mean insert into, and what is the table name? The table name is a customer. Is a customers here come. Okay, what are the column names? I mean a field name. We have a field name, the customer ID, the first name, and then last name, and then email address, and then gender. Okay, then sorry, okay, phone number also. There's a phone number. Okay, I think I didn't mention phone number here, right? So in this way, okay, because we have created this table, okay, I didn't make a phone number. Okay, so we'll leave it phone number, right? We'll leave it phone number. We will remove the phone number. Otherwise, we'll have a problem. Okay, because we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns or records, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, one, two, three, 4, and then 5, and the table name is a customer. Okay, so it's a inserting into. Okay, in which table? The customer table. What are column names? These are column names. Okay, these are column names we have put here. Okay, and what is the value? We have already added this value. Now we are going to add this value. Okay, so value, we have to mention here the values and then bracket. Okay, what a bracket we have to write? These we have to write in the bracket. Okay, in the bracket, sorry, it's like a bracket. Okay, so now integer, we will not close the quotas, we will write a comma, but is a Sarah, is we have to use the like a double quotas, we have to close the quotas. Okay, then again Tendulkar, because why? Because this is a string value, is a characters value. Okay, then again comma, and then is also again we have to use this string values, or you can say characters. We use this, and then again is a female, is a also character value. Right, now I remove this. Okay, and you can see what we have a data, or what is the tables. So we have this table, right? I didn't execute this, so I want to show you. We have already reported values. Priya Yusuf, okay, is a customer 1, customer 2, right? And here customer 1, and here I can make customer 2, right? Sorry, 3, because this is a unique ID, and I can make it like a same to. Let's see, we will get error. I want to show you this. We will get error. Why? Violation of the primary key constraint, because it's a duplicate. You can see here is the mention duplicate. The table name is the DBO customer. This is a table name. You can see right here. Here is the means cannot insert duplicate key in the object. Object means the customer table, and the value is a duplicate value. Why is duplicate? Is a 2. Is a 2. You can see the 2 means is already inserted in the reports. Where is a 2? 2 customers are customer ID is a 2, and a customer name is a U. So what does it mean? I have to create it another. Another is a 3. Right? Now, how you can do this? We can execute now. Okay, it means one row affected. One row affected here. And now I want to display all data. So you can see successfully we have inserted customer ID 3's details. Okay, and customer ID 3 details. First name Sarah, last name the Tendukar. Employee ID is a Sarah125 at gmail.com, and gender is a female. Am I right? Now I want to know from you, is there any doubt here? You understood again what I taught you? It is a easy, is a very, very easy. If you practice, you will get more understanding. Where? When I tell you, okay, because when we inserted the records like this, okay, automatically SQL will show the columns. Okay, got it? And before this we have to create a table. How can we create table? This table, because without creating table, how can you edit the values? Understood? That's I explain it first is a Excel, okay, in how to work in SQL. So I explain it first. My point. Okay, that's why I'm telling you. I will share these records again. Please watch properly, okay, and apply. If you don't apply, you will forget it. It is easy when you start, then you will learn automatically. It is very easy. Okay, no problem. I will share with you that one. That one I will share. That's why I'm telling you. I'm going to share you through the YouTube link. Automatically will open where you want, in a mobile, laptop, where you want, even your office as well. You have time in office, you can also watch it. Okay, that's great. Okay, now what I'm going to do first, okay, can you share your screen? And I want to see you how can you really do this or not? Because I will go for, because you are a beginner, so I understand this. Okay, you can see. Now I can see your screen. Please share your SSMS. Yeah. Good. So we already use, okay, we are using, and now we have to create a table. So what you have to do, you have to write a here, new line, please. New line. Okay, please give this space. Again, enter. Again, enter. Okay, that's fine. Here you can write. Is it right? Create. Create spelling should be correct. Okay. Space. Then write table. So no, now we are creating table. Okay, table, then space. Table name, we will make a customer table. Don't make a space between customer table. You can use underscores if you want a space. No, not you have to give the space here, but I'm asking table name, table. So you have to write a customer table. Okay, that's great. Then you have to use a bracket, whatever you can underscore. Yeah, that's great. You understood that. Okay, now you have to use a bracket. Yeah, you can give space as you want. Space again is again. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then you have to uh, enter. Enter, please. Now you have to write a customer ID. Customer ID. Yeah, and then space integer int in a short form int, and then space please. No, only space with primary key, primary, because we want customer id is a unique. Okay, customer, okay, the similar name candidates should not be duplicate, and then comma, and then again enter. Okay, and then here is the first name, last name. First name is a varchar 30. First name. No, please again use underscore. Yeah, or yeah, the same or whatever underscore as well. You want a better understanding, so underscore. Space. varchar. Okay, and you have to use a bracket, like means in 30 characters. We want a 30 characters, and then again comma, write a last name, use same thing, last name varchar 30. You can make it. Enter, please, enter. Yeah. After comma, great. Why we are using different line? Because we can understand better. When you expert, you can use in a one line as well, no problem. So for a better understanding, we can do this. Okay. Okay. And then is a phone number, email address, gender. Phone number, enter phone number. int integer. Varchar also we can use varchar also, but we want to understand integer value. Then comma, enter. Email address. I want email address of the customers. Okay. And here email address is a varchar. You can, yeah, varchar. That's fine. Varchar is a 50. So we want our characters of 50. Okay, that's fine. And then we have to use gender. Gender is the same, is a varchar 10. And now no need to comma. And now enter and close the bracket. Close the bracket. Correct. Now you have to select all and execute it. Select all. Correct, and execute. So you can see command completed successfully. Now you have to write, you have to enter new line. One more line, please enter. Yeah. And then write select space star and then again star, sorry, space, sorry. And then from customer table, what is the name of table? Customer table. Customer table. Spelling should be same as we have mentioned. Yeah, you can see below. You can enter below. Already this came below. Below one. Yeah, that one. You can just click. Right click. Correct. Then you have to again select whole query and execute. So Priya, you are successfully created a table schema. Now you have to insert the records here. How can we insert the records? Okay, I will tell you. Just you have to uh, enter and we start from new line. No problem. Just Control Z only. Control Z. No. Control. Please press Control. No. You don't need to write that. Please CTR Control and then. No. Okay. Okay. Oh, you need to remove. Okay. Already is removed it. Okay. Please first press Control and then Z. Yeah. Again. Yes. Again. Control. No, it. How can it read it? Automatically come back. You have to press control and then press Z. Oh, wait a minute. I will, I will check. Wait a minute. No, why you are doing, because you are not pressing continue control. After pressing the continue control, then you have to enter Z. Yeah, you can see already come back, right? No problem, you can do okay yourself. That's not a problem. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, leave it. Okay, you can just enter. You can again make it. Okay, so another customer table you can make it. Same customer table can't be created because you have already created. So name you have to change. Okay, now you have to write insert. No, insert into int or into, or what I'm going to do, what you have to do, you have to just paste this one, okay? Then you will get a better understanding, okay? So you can do this, okay? Uh, I think we have phone number as well, right? Okay, phone number before the email address, right? 234. Yeah, I have sent you this one, okay? You can copy and paste here. You can check your, yeah, chat box. Yes, you have to copy this one, correct? Copy, okay, and then paste. Yeah, paste. You have to remove this, insert into you have to remove first, correct? Now you have to select and run. So what, wait, after gender you can just value, make it new line, just click enter. So you can better understand now. Yeah, you can do. Why I told this you, because you can understand better. Wait, customer. Okay, okay. Our customer table name is a different, right? So you can make whatever you have a created customer table. Insert into, and the customer table name should be correct. Should be correct customer table name. You can remove it one by back, one by one. Yeah. Okay, and now write customer. Okay, wait, customer, and then yeah, customer, and then underscore table, right? Yeah, that is one only. Okay, now, okay, now you can select all and execute, because customer table should be correct. Let's see. Okay, incorrect syntax near. I will check. In syntax near, what does mean here? Okay, period, 123 at Gmail. Actually, can you just zoom it? I can't see it properly. Can you zoom it? Do you know how to zoom it? Is a message. What is the message? I don't know. The syntax near. Okay. Wait, I'm just checking. Okay. So what is the mean here? After bracket is a comma. Can you close it? Right, can you run it? I don't know because I can't see it. That's, I'm just telling you. Customer. Okay. Wait 1 minute. So here I have a, okay. So the column name is a different, right? After last name, oh shit. So whole customer, whole column name are different because, yeah. Right. Sorry. It's and then phone number, right? Phone number. Okay, we missed it. Okay. Yeah, please phone number. You have to write it here. Phone number. Not like this. How did you write earlier? You have to write same. Then comma. Okay. And then email address is same. It is right. It was, yeah. Like, can you try to execute it because I don't know is the same or not. Invalid column name. Customer ID is also invalid. So can you write, so what, let's see how can we do this. So here is a table. You can go in a previous SQL in the left side, in the left side. Okay, there is a table, is a table. Click on table. No, table. Come down. Yeah, click on table. And then there's a table name is a customer DVO customer table. Please click here. Click on. Now, then is a column. Is a column. Click on column. Now, the customer ID. Okay, the first name is a last name, phone number, and email address, gender. Right. So, okay, customer. We have a means the customer. You have means customer. You can see you. Change you. Okay. Write it. And customer. Okay, that's fine. Can you see another one? If is there any mistake? No, you can just, okay, let's see. No, whatever, let's see. You can execute again. Yeah, now you can see. We have already executed. Now you can write select new line. Select star from customer table. Same customer table, what we have a customer table. Okay, now you can execute it. Oh, so you can see the table is there already. Yeah, you have it done successfully. Okay, whatever. Now I'm sharing my screen. I am teaching you. Okay, so just wait a minute. What I'm